I don't think there's a word to really describe this feeling. I think for me in my career, it's right up there. I started my Olympic journey back in 2008 in Dresden. You know, it was a dream to have the women team on the podium. It finally happened in 2024 after 16 years, after 8 Olympics, and in the best way imaginable, because we had the men team alongside us, the women team, the historic double gold, and I think I'm still processing it. It's the biggest stage. Every match is extremely difficult. There's high expectations, high pressure. But if I had to point to one moment that I'm really proud of for my team, it's actually when we lost the 8th round against Poland. We were leading, we had won all our 7 matches. Our 8th match, we had a setback, we lost that one. And why I'm proud of my team is because of the resilience we showed after that. Because one of the most difficult things in sports is to make a comeback. We had to play against US in round 9. और ये वही टीम है who we lost against in the Chennai 22 Olympiad in the final match. So lots of memories, lots of flashbacks and this grudge match, and we were able to come back, we were able to overcome the challenge, and I think that's the moment that I'm super proud of. It's once again something that's hard to put into words, because his contribution, his guidance, the inspiration that he's given to every single chess player in the country, it's impossible to put it into words. And whatever chess is today, it's on his shoulders. You know, it's because of him. If there's this question that why is this golden generation and the golden period of chess? If we all had to point out to one reason, I think that would be Vishisha. I think it only means great things, because everyone's been saying that India is a powerhouse in chess now. The future of chess is in India. But with this performance, this historic double gold, I think we've established that India is not only the future, it's the present of chess. And hopefully this victory will inspire many young boys and girls to take up the sport. Very special. I think it was an evening that's going to stay with us for a very long time. He loves sports. He has such a big vision for sports in India, and I think he has so much affection for athletes, and that was really nice it was really a special interaction with him. We learnt a lot from him, exchanged a lot of stories of the chess Olympics with him. And I think वो बस सबको जोश से भर देते हैं. A lot of stories were exchanged, and a lot of advice he gave us on many things, which again will I think help us going forward in many ways. But I think the one thing that he said was कि वो भूख कभी मिटनी नहीं चाहिए, and that desire to learn and to go forward should always be there. It's really been very special, the kind of support and love that we've received after the gold medal. Firstly, I would like to thank the fans as well for cheering us on, for rooting for us, and also Sai, our All India Chess Federation, and of course meeting the Honorable Prime Minister and the Sports Minister today. I think these are the moments that we take away with us to be more inspired, to give even more for our country and to play our hearts out.